Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. Your girl is super excited about this Walmart haul. Why? Because Walmart sent your girl some clothes. Y'all, Walmart sent your girl some clothes, and I'm excited. This is from their new spring collection, and they sent me a lot of clothes, so I kind of broke this Walmart haul into two parts. So this will be part one. So yeah, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, on my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as play and makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's get into it. Okay sis, so for the first outfit, it's like the style of like boho type, just girl, just very cute and just cute. I can't even think of another word, but anyways, so this is the top. The top is very cute. I love the sleeves, that's why I got the top. It's like a sweater type material. It's ribbed and just very structured, thick, nice material. It's from the brand Free Assembly, and girl, okay, here it is. It's from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium. And y'all, so the top was maybe $25 if I'm not mistaken, and please forgive me for not knowing the prices because online it doesn't have the price on the tag like it normally would in the store. It's just a tag. So these prices, I'm just going off the top of my head because getting my phone and try to navigate to see where it is, just girl, it's too much. But I will have everything linked down below. But yeah, so a rough estimate of $25. Not bad because the top is like a very good material, and this Free Assembly line is just everything. So yeah, this is the top. It fits me very nice. And then these are the bottoms. The bottoms are cute sis, and they're like this, you know, wide leg type of bottom, like a wide leg crop. Just girl, very cute. It's from the brand Scoop. Girl, I don't even know how to say it. Let me look at it again. Scoop, I want to say that's how you say it. And it just says it's a wide leg crop, and I got them in a size 6. I want to say these were again maybe $29. 29 is the most. I want to say 29 and below. And these are very stretchy, very girl, just a good material, very thick material, structured material, and just nice overall. I like the hose, the distressedness, the hose or whatever. It's just cute, and they got some on the other side. The hem to the pants are girl, what is it? A frayed hem, a raw hem. That's what it is, girl. A raw hem. So just very cute. I love a raw hem pants. It just, I don't know, it's cute. So yeah, these are the jeans, and the outfit, I kind of just paired it with a hat. Hold on, let me show you the hat. So this is the hat that I paired it with. This hat is from the brand Time and True, and this hat is so old. If you guys have been watching me for a minute and seen all of my Walmart hauls, you would have already saw this hat. Super old. Girl, I haven't even like worn it out yet because it still has the tag on it. And ooh, you can see that it says it's from Time and True, if it's not like a glare. But yeah, I haven't even worn this out, but it's such a nice structure hat. I want to say that they have hats at the store currently, but I'm not, girl, don't quote me. Just don't quote me. I think the hats that are there are like the hats that are on sale from the fall/winter time that are just left over, and they're maybe like $5. I don't know if I've seen any colors like this, but I know I've seen black and dark green, and that's just at my personal Walmart. But yeah girl, I paired it with this hat, and I as well paired it with a cute big chain. I don't even remember where I got that chain from or the necklace from. It's very old. And then just some cute booties, and just girl, the look just paired so nicely together. Okay, sis, so for this next outfit, I was going for something just very simple and chill. You can probably wear this outfit to brunch. Just, again, just simple, but yet cute. Throw on a pair of heels and girl, it's just cute. Anyways, so this is the top. And the top, y'all, I love this top. The top is such a good material. It's almost like, I want to say maybe polyester. Does it even say on the tag? I think it's like a polyester material. Girl, it doesn't say, but it feels like it's polyester mixed with cotton. It's very like stretchy, slinky, kind of feels like a scuba diving type of material. Just very cute. I love the sleeves and the structure of the top. Just, girl, get into the structure. Like, it's very cute. If I'm not mistaken, this top was maybe $28. It's from the brand Scoop, and I got it in a size medium. At the bottom, it kind of flares out when you have it on, and I want to say that this came in other colors as well, but I just thought the gray was just giving. The gray is super cute. But yeah, I love the little lines in the top, and overall, y'all, it's a nice structured top. The bottoms that I paired it with are some old bottoms. Again, you got to be an OG and been with me for a long time. Those bottoms are my favorite bottoms, and I literally wear them in every haul because, girl, I'm not buying any more pair of jeans because those are my favorite. But yeah, those are time and true. Those were only $18.94 in a size 6. They have frayed frayed hem, raw hem, or whatever. Just perfect, sis. Those are reoccurring jeans, so you can still get those in the stores now. And then I paired it with a clear heel, and yeah, just very simple. So this next outfit, sis, the outfit is giving me Little House on the Prairie. It's giving Amish. It's just really cute. Like, your girl has so many different types of styles. I like to dress a lot of different ways. So yeah, I thought the style was very cute. Starting with the top. The top, again, is giving me Amish, Little House on the Prairie. The top is very cute. It's giving me White House. Abraham, was it Abraham or George Washington? You know, when they used to wear these type of tops, girl. Yeah, I don't think I passed history class, but anyway, y'all, so this is the top. And again, y'all, I love the structure of the top. I love the little ruffles. Girl, why can't I ever think of what I'm trying to say? Anyways, I love the ruffles, or whatever this is called, on the top, and just everything about the top is cute. It is in the brand The Get, and I want to say I probably have seen this brand at Walmart in stores. I'm not really sure. And y'all, I'm sorry, but I don't even know how much I paid for this, or how much this was. Excuse me, I don't know how much this was. But y'all know it'll be linked down in the bottom. But everything really was, I think all of the tops were $29 and below. Again, this was probably in the $20 range of like maybe 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. But yeah, somewhere in there was this top. And again, it's a very nice structured top, very nice material. I paired it with some bottoms. Okay, sis, so these are the pants that I paired it with, and girl, the pants are very cute. At first, I was a little skeptical about the pants just because I don't really like the denim look unless it's denim, but these turns out to be very cute. It's from the brand The Get, and it says that they're utility pants. As you can see, like the big pockets, utility pants normally have big pockets, and they do. So yeah, and I got them in a size medium. I'm not sure of how much they were, maybe $30, 34 or 35 at the most, but I want to say maybe $30. Again, I'm sorry that I don't know the price, but again, it'll be linked down in the description box. But yeah, you're able to tie them right here, which gives it like that paper bag look, and I love that look, especially when I wear them as high-waisted pants. The length of these pants were super nice. I'm 5'7", and they're long enough for me to wear a heel, which I have on like a little booty, so I'm super glad that they were long enough. But overall, sis, the pants are very nice material, very light and airy, and it paired very well with the top. I also paired it with just some brown booties, and of course your girl had to throw on the fedora hat. I just think the look is not a look without the fedora. Like, the fedora makes the look. But yeah, girl. Okay, sis, so for this next outfit, it's just a simple maxi dress. I feel like maxi dresses can be dressed up or dressed down and wore literally at any event, but in this occasion, I dressed it down with just a flat sandal. But anyways, so here is the maxi dress. Very cute, and as you can see, it's in this gray color. This dress also came in peach and yellow, I believe. Very cute colors, but I did choose to get it in this gray color. So it's from the brand Scoop, and I got it in a size medium, and I want to say that this dress was $28 or $30, one or the two, but again, y'all, I'll have it linked. But I think a good price point, because the dress is quality, very quality material, very thick, it's not see-through, and just overall really nice. I just love this gray. It's just so smooth. Again, this is a wrap maxi dress, so here is the wrap part. And as you can see, it's cinched in and already has like the little ruffles or whatever you want to call it, the drapery, whatever it's called. It's really cute and stretchy material, and you just tie it like you see me wearing it, like so. And y'all, overall, it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's really just the perfect stretch, and just very cute, sis. Okay, sis, so for this last outfit, I want to say is probably my favorite, just because the colors scream spring. I love the colors, I love the color blocking, I love the outfit. So this is the dress. It's a slip dress. As you can see, it has a spaghetti strap, and y'all, when I say the material, girl, the material is so bomb, super thick, it's silky, and just a good material. Now, the reviews that I saw were saying that it was see-through, but I didn't have that problem, maybe because I have on dark undergarments, but it doesn't seem to me that it's see-through, just because of the fact that it's very thick. Very thick material, very nice and structured. Yeah, just a good quality material. This is from the brand Scoop, and I got it in a size medium, and it just says midi slip dress, yellow. And girl, it fits me very nicely. On these straps, it has the little adjustables or whatever, so you can adjust it, and I actually didn't need to adjust it, which I thought I probably was going to need to, just because a medium, and I don't have no boobs. I thought it was going to be very big, but it fit girl, I can never talk. It fit me very nicely. It has a split at the bottom, child, not that you can see it, but it has a split at the bottom, and the split is very classy. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right and perfect. But yeah, so this dress was $30, and I'm for sure positive that it was $30. So yeah, not a bad price for the quality of this dress. And then I paired it with, okay y'all, so this is the red jacket that I paired it with, and I just think the jacket is bomb, girl. The jacket is super nice. Again, very quality material. It's very heavy. I wouldn't say too heavy, but it's heavy enough to where you know that it's quality material. It's from the brand Scoop as well, and I got it in a size medium. Again, y'all, it doesn't say the price, but luckily for you, I do know the price of this. It was $40, which again, I don't think is bad at all for a nice quality jacket. And I just love the color. It also came in black, and this red just spoke to me. I already knew what my plans was for it when I saw it. And yeah, this jacket I actually bought with my own coins, because I just really wanted this jacket. So yeah, it has like the little open, girl, I don't even know what was I about to say, child, but it's just open right here. You see like the little design of how it is, and you typically would wear it like that. You can zip it up to where it doesn't, you know, go like that and it just goes like this. But of course, it's the springtime, you want to have it open. I pushed up my sleeves just to make it, you know, just a little bit more airy. And yeah, it has pockets right here. It has a pocket right here on the side, and y'all, just overall it's a cute jacket. It also has a zipper to where you can make your hands, you know what I'm talking about, wider or whatever. But yeah, girl, a very cute jacket. And then the last thing that I got were a pair of shoes. Okay, sis, so these are the pair of shoes. It came in this box. The brand of the shoe says True Comfort Foam, but it says something on the box, Brinley Co. Shoes. So I'm not actually sure who and what, but again, y'all, I'll have the link down below. It's in the color Alay Red, and I got them in a size 9, and these were $39.99. And y'all, here is the shoe. The shoe is super cute. First looking at the shoe, I thought that they were gonna be too small because they kind of look narrow and just itty bitty, but they fit me perfectly. I love the heel. The heel is very small, right up my alley, especially for this outfit. I kind of would plan to wear this to like brunch or whatever, so I would need a good walking shoe. So yeah, I think the heel is perfect. I want to say it's maybe 3.25 inches. Just gazing at it, I don't even know if it said the inches on the description and online, but yeah, very nice shoe. And then it has like a thick crossband in the front. Again, y'all, very comfortable. It has some cushion right here, but you can't see it because the band is in the way, and it has cushion right here, hence the True Comfort Foam. So they very much are comfortable, and it just paired nicely with the jacket, just because I was going for a pop of color, and it looks very nice together. Okay, sis, so that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.